Hey friends, today we're installing an Ecosmart 65 watt replacement LED recessed lighting for these. So we're going to be taking out the old one and putting in a new one. These are just a different spectrum of light, so it's just a different one. So let's go ahead and remove the old one first. What you want to do is just pull this out. And it has a little metal clip there. You squeeze those together and that releases it. You just do one side and then unplug your plug here. Okay, and do the other side. Just squeeze them together and release it from the little hooks there. Okay, if you look over here, this has a little foam part on there. You want to take that off, and it helps to keep bugs and stuff from getting through there. So just kind of squeeze your thing together. You can take it around the outside too if you want to. Just like that. Okay. There we go. Okay, now that that's out, we can take this part out too. Okay. That's how to remove the light. And let's get the new one in there. First we're going to put our little foam part on there. That just goes around the outside of those. Just like that. Okay. And next we're going to just get one side hooked in there. So actually I'll do this side first. Just squeeze them together and hook them in between those little metal prongs there. That'll hold it in place. And now we'll get our socket attachment. Guess I could have screwed this in first, probably would have been easier, but that's okay. Still got plenty of room here. Okay, that's screwed in place. Simply attach your wire next. See which way is it? There's only one way to let you do it. So there we go. Make sure those are tucked up in there. Squeeze this other wires or metal things together. Put them in place there. And up you go. That's how you do it.